in this case, the axis is perpendicular to the profile plane and hence the parallel to both HP and VP. So this is a special case in which you must draw the side view also. Without the side view, you will not be able to complete the front view as well as the top view. That is a special case. Mostly this type of problems are not being asked, but this is very simple actually. But in some cases, it is also being asked. So the question is like this: a triangular prism of side 40 millimeter has its axis parallel to both HP and VP. Draw its front view, top view, and side view. So without side view, this is drawing this one is impossible. That's another case. Without side view, you cannot draw it. So draw its front view and top view. If the question is like this, draw its front view and top view, and also you have to draw the side view. And another problem with this question is that in this case, the length of the prism is not given. The length of the axis of the prism is not given. Only the base side is given. A triangular prism of side 40 millimeter. That is only the 40 millimeter is given. That is the base side is given. It is not given the length of the axis. So you have to assume a suitable axis length. Say some 40 millimeter itself, or even 50 millimeter. Whatever length you can assume. No problem. Whatever length you assume. But the thing is that you have to mention it in your drawing. That is, you have to dimension it accordingly. Whatever length you have assumed, that length you have to give. You have to mention in the drawing. So this type of questions comes in the university exams. That is, some part will be missing, some data will be missing. Then you have to assume that particular data. So this will be the case. So in this case, the axis is parallel to this will be the axis from this point to somewhere here. This point, the axis will be there. So in that case, the axis is parallel to both HP as well as VP. So and the true shape of the the base, the true shape of the base or the triangle will be visible only in the side view. That is why we need the side view in this case. Without the side view, we will not be able to obtain the height of this particular rectangle. So then how to draw it? First to draw the XY line, then the X1, Y1 line also you need. The X1, Y1 line, this is in order to draw the side view. Then first we draw the side view. The side view will be a equilateral triangle. In all the cases, we consider regular polygons or regular triangles, etc. That is, equilateral triangle will be, unless and otherwise it is specified that it is some other sort of some isosceles triangle or some triangle of this particular dimensions. We always consider it to be a regular triangle. That is an equilateral triangle. So an equilateral triangle of side 40 millimeter is drawn. This is the side view. And then the side view is named accordingly. That is A double dash, 1 double dash, B double dash, 2 double dash, then C double dash, 3 double dash. 2 points are there. A1, B2, C3 will be there because in each of these 3 corners, it represents actually an edge of the prism. An edge in which the length of that particular edge is equal to the length of the axis. That is represented there. So it is represented as a point in the side view. That is why there are 2 different points. So A double dash, 1 double dash, B double dash, 2 double dash, C double dash, 3 double dash. Now what we do is we fix one edge of one projector of this particular prism in the front view. One edge of the prism. Then that is then from there you fix the second edge also with the length equal to the length of the pyramid, I mean prism. Length equal to the length of the prism. We fix 2 projectors, 2 end projectors. If we know the length, then we can fix the end projectors. The distances, the distance from XY line, X1, Y1 line to this distance is not important. That particular distance is not given. So you can assume it suitably, this distance as well as this distance. This distance is also not given. That also you can assume the distance between xy line and this value. This also you can assume suitably. Not specific values are given, so you can assume it as per your wish, as per your convenience. You can uh, assume those values. Now, sorry. Now the axis is drawn. The axis is found out by drawing a line joining this point to the midpoint of this edge. By a line joining this point, this corner A dash to the midpoint of B dash C dash, B double dash C double dash, and from B double dash to the midpoint of A double dash C double dash. So by drawing two lines, you can find out the center line, or I mean the centroid of this particular triangle. So from A double dash to the midpoint of C double dash B double dash, one line, and another line B double dash to A double dash C double dash, the midpoint of A double dash C double dash. So by joining these two lines, the point of intersection will be the centroid of this particular triangle. So from that point, you draw the chain line which represents the axis. The chain line represents the axis. Now, from the base edge, from this edge, or from A double dash, 1 double dash, you draw a line, and this line will give you the A dash, 1 dash, B dash, and 2 dash points. So here it will be A dash and B dash, because A dash and B dash will be on the left end, and here you will get 1 dash and 2 dash. 1, 2 will be towards the right end. That is here. Here it is the points will be A, B, C, and here on this side it will be 1, 2, and 3. So that is here. A, B, and C will be here. So A and B will be here, and C will be here. Here 1 and 2 will be here. 3 will be here. So now C and 3. This is it. This is the front view. Now, in order to get the height of the front view, the side view is necessary. Without the side view, you cannot find out the height of the front view. Now, in order to get the top view, this axis, this angle is 45 degree. You usually does an arc from here. When you draw the side view, when you used to draw the side view, you use the curve from here, or you can draw a line with an angle 45 degree. With an angle 45 degree, if you draw a line, that will also give you the same point. So from this point, from the centroid, you drop a vertical line, and from the point of intersection of the vertical line with the XY line, you draw a line which is making an angle of 45 degree with the XY line, and at the point of intersection of that line with the X1, Y1, you draw a horizontal line. So this will be the axis in the top view. This will be the axis in the top view. Now the points A dash, 1 dash, B dash, 2 dash, and C dash, 3 dash, all these should be projected to this top view in a similar fashion. This is point A, and this is point 1. This is point B and 2, and this point, this C and 3, that will coincide with the axis. This C and 3, if you draw it, it will coincide with this axis. So you can directly draw it like this as a continuous line. So C and 3, and this is the top view. This is the final drawing. With you must give the dimensions also. The length of the dimension, that the length of the prism, that whatever length you have taken, that you should give as the length, and the length of this edges, that you should give as whatever it is 40 degree. I mean 40 millimeter. This length is given as 40 millimeter. So once again, I will show you how to draw it. first xy line, then x1 y1 line, then the triangle to represent the side view, a double dash 1 double dash, 2 b double dash 2 double dash, c double dash 3 double dash. Then two projectors which represents the end faces in the front view and the top view of the square triangular prism, then the axis in the front view and the edges in the front view, then the axis in the top view, then the edges in the top view. That is it. Any doubts?
So dotted line axis അല്ലേ?
Dotted line axis ആണ്. Dotted അല്ല, actually it is a dot and a dash, chain line ആണ്.
വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ ഡോട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഡാഷ് ഇട്ട് വരയ്ക്കണമല്ലോ.
ഡോട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഡാഷ്, ഈ ലൈൻസ് ഡോട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഡാഷ് ഇട്ട് വരയ്ക്കണം. ഇവിടെ ഈ പോർഷൻ ഇത് ഡോട്ടഡ് ലൈൻ ആയിട്ട് വരച്ചാലും മതി, ഡോട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഡാഷ് കൊടുത്തില്ലെങ്കിലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഈ ഒരു പോർഷൻ മാത്രം, ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് ഡോട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഡാഷ് ആണ്, ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ചെയിൻ ലൈൻ.